In this video, I'm going to show you several different ways how you can find out if your boyfriend or girlfriend is on Plenty of Fish or any other dating site potentially cheating on you. The web address to the page that contains all this great information on how to find out if your spouse or partner or boyfriend is cheating on you on Plenty of Fish or another dating site can be found by going to the web address nbots.me/bd60. The first thing to consider is doing a Google search for the person's username. Now you may think, well, if they're on a dating site and I don't know about it, how am I going to know what their username is? Well, fortunately for you, most people are creatures of habit, and most people use very similar and sometimes even identical usernames for different accounts. What will really help you with this tip is if your boyfriend or girlfriend has some sort of hobby strongly ego tied to their username. For example, let's say your boyfriend is a big hockey lover, so for their email account they use hockeylover1212, and maybe for another site or account they use hockeylover4ever. So in other words, you know that they're going to have hockey lover in their username most likely. All you do is you go to Google and you perform these 4 specialized searches. All in URL, hockey lover, all in text, hockey lover, all in title, hockey lover, username, hockey lover. And I'll perform all 4 of these searches to give you an idea. Now notice how the search results show a lot of social related information. So you can visit these social accounts, particularly ones you may not know about, and they will provide you additional clues to what your boyfriend or girlfriend is up to and if they are up to no good or not. Also all in text, hockey lover. And again, a lot of social account information here. All in title, hockey lover. Username, hockey lover. Now one thing you want to do also is, although you want to view the web results from each of these searches, you do not want to neglect to look at the images, because what might happen is you might actually find a picture of your boyfriend or girlfriend. And let's say you do find a picture of your boyfriend or girlfriend, you click on it, it will take you to the website where that picture is at. And you might find a lot of information about this person you were not previously aware of. Now this next tip to see if you find your boyfriend or girlfriend on a dating site and they are cheating on you, this tip is probably the most powerful tip of all. I have been involved in the cell phone spy and computer spy industry heavily between the years of 2008 and 2013. And cell phone spy and computer spy are very powerful products. Most of the top name cell phone spy today allow you to install the spy application and not have the owner of the cell phone be aware that the application has been installed, because otherwise what would the point be? And this is a sample members area for the cell phone spy, M-Spy.